यो नमः हरिः ॐ। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत ऋषभे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः। यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवा शन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीली। यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे। शिवान् गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि पुंसि पुरुषैं जगत्। शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्चावदामसि। यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना अससत्। अद्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक्। अहीगश्च सर्वा आञ्जम्भयन् सर्वा आश्रयातु धान्यः। असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः। ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिताः सहस्रशो वै शागुं हेड ईमहे। असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः। उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः। उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः। नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे। अतो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः। प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोराग्नियोर्जाम्। याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा। अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशतेषु ते। निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव। विजन्धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत। अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः। याते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः। तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज। नमस्ते अस्वायुधायानातताय धृष्णवे। उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने। परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः। अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम्। नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये। नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये। नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्रिशीमते पतीनां पतये। नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय विव्याधिनेम्नानां पतये। नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये। नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये। नमो नमो रुद्रायातताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये। नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये। नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये। नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये। नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्वृताय औषधीनां पतये। नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्नीनां पतये। नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये। पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन शिशुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रीकाविभ्यो जिगागुंसभ्यो पुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमभ्यो नक्तञ्चलभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय गुरुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः शिशुमभ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजभ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यभ्यो विद्यभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो चाकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो कृत्सेभ्यो कृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शितिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वये च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीघ्राय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्धियाय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरताय च नमः शूराय चावभिन्धते च नमो वर्णिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्लिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय चाहनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो धूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीत्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय चावट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय चावर्ष्याय च नमो मेद्याय च विद्युद्याय च नमः ईन्द्रियाय चातप्याय च नमो वाट्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः साम्राय चारुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्काराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्त्याय च पूर्व्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्ट्याय च फेण्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः हिरण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमः सल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेष्ट्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वह्निकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः आनिर्भकेभ्यो नमः आमीभकेभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रनीललोहित येषां पुरुषाणाम् येषां पशूनां माधेर्मारोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाहवेशजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयवीराय प्रपरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृति क्षयवीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्चयोश्च मनुराय चेपिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमानमुक्षितम् मानोवतीः पितरं मोदमातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषिमानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वदेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आराते गोघ्न उदपूरुषग्ने क्षयवीराय सुन्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अनिति च देव गृह्यता च नः शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहर्तुमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्त्यामकवध्यस्तनुष्वमीड्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मीडुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निकाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रता बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराशीनामुखाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाशः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पतां पथिरक्षय ऐलवृतायव्युतः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः यः एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्या येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यद्विष्णो यश्च नो वेष्टितं वोजम्भे ददामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वामहेसौ मनसाय रुद्रन्नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वदेशजोऽयं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः अग्ना विष्णु सजोषसे मा वर्धन्तु मां गिरः द्युम्नैर्वाजेभिरागतम् वाचश्च मे प्रसवश्च मे प्रयतिश्च मे प्रसिद्धिश्च मे नीतिश्च मे क्रतुश्च मे स्वरश्च मे श्लोकश्च मे श्रावश्च मे श्रुतिश्च मे ज्योतिश्च मे सुवश्च मे प्राणश्च मे पानश्च मे व्यानश्च मे सुश्च मे चित्तं च आधीतं च मे वाक् च मे मनश्च मे चक्षुश्च मे श्रोत्रं च मे दक्षश्च मे बलं च ओजश्च मे सहश्च आयुश्च मे जरा च आत्मा च मे धनुश्च मे शर्म च मे वर्म च मे गानि च मे स्थानि च मे परुगुंषि च मे शरीराणि च मे ज्येष्ठं च आधिपत्यं च मे मन्युश्च मे भामश्च मे वश्च मे वश्च मे जेमा च मे महिमा च मे वरिमा च मे प्रतिमा च मे वश्मा च मे ग्राहुया च मे वृद्धं च मे वृद्धिश्च मे सत्यं च मे श्रद्धा च मे जगच्च मे धनं च मे वशश्च मे कृषिश्च मे क्रीडा च मे मोदश्च मे जातं च मे जनिष्यमाणं च मे सूक्तं च मे सुकृतं च मे वित्तं च मे वेद्यं च मे भूतं च मे भविष्यत् च मे सुखं च मे सुपतं च मरुद्धं च मरुद्धिश्च मे कृतं च मे कृत्तिश्च मे मतिश्च मे सुमतिश्च मे क्षं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे कामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे भर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोष्ट मे प्रसोष्ट मे श्रीरं च मे रयश्च मृतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ऊर्च मे सुकृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे शक्तिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे ऋषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रं च औद्भिद्यं च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टं च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभु च मे प्रभु च मे बहु च मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णं च मे पूर्णतरं च मे क्षितिश्च मे पूयवाश्च मे नैं च मे शुच्च मे व्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे माशाश्च मे तिलाश्च मे मुद्राश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मसुराश्च मे प्रियङ्कवश्च मे नवश्च मे श्यामाकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे अश्मा च मे मृत्तिका च मे गिरयश्च मे पर्वताश्च मे सिकताश्च मे वनस्पतयश्च मे हिरण्यं च मे यश्च मे सीसं च मे प्रपुश्च मे श्यामं च मे लोहं च मे ग्निश्च आपश्च मे वीरुधश्च ओषधयश्च मे कृष्णपच्यं च मे पृष्ठपच्यं च मे ग्राम्याश्च मे पशव आरण्याश्च यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां वित्तं च मे वित्तिश्च मे भूतं च मे भूतिश्च मे वसु च मे वसतिश्च मे कर्म च मे शक्तिश्च मे अर्थश्च एमश्च इतिश्च मे गतिश्च मे अग्निश्च इन्द्रश्च मे सोमश्च इन्द्रश्च मे सविता च इन्द्रश्च मे सरस्वती च इन्द्रश्च मे पूषा च इन्द्रश्च मे बृहस्पतिश्च इन्द्रश्च मे मित्रश्च इन्द्रश्च मे वरुणश्च इन्द्रश्च मे त्वष्टा च इन्द्रश्च मे धाता च इन्द्रश्च मे विष्णुश्च इन्द्रश्च मे श्विनौ च इन्द्रश्च मे मरुतश्च इन्द्रश्च मे विश्वे च मे देवा इन्द्रश्च मे पृथिवी च इन्द्रश्च मे अन्तरिक्षं च इन्द्रश्च मे द्यौश्च इन्द्रश्च मे दिशश्च इन्द्रश्च मे मूर्धा च इन्द्रश्च मे प्रजापतिश्च इन्द्रश्च मे अग्निश्च मे रश्मिश्च मे लाभ्यश्च मे धिपतिश्च उपागुंश्च मे दर्यामश्च ऐन्द्रवायवश्च मे मैत्रावरुणश्च आश्विनश्च मे प्रतिप्रस्थानश्च मे शुक्रश्च मे मन्त्री च आग्रहणश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे ध्रुवश्च मे वैश्वानरश्च ऋतुग्रहाश्च मे तिग्राह्याश्च ऐन्द्राग्नश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे मरुद्गीयाश्च मे माहेन्द्रश्च आदित्यश्च मे सावित्रश्च मे सारस्वतश्च मे पौष्णश्च मे मे, पात्मीवतश्च मे, आर्योजनश्च मे। इद्मश्च मे वर्गिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे तिष्णियाश्च मे सृजश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे स्वरवश्च म उपरवाश्च मे ऋषभणे च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतमृच्च म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीध्रं च मे हविर्धानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे श्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्च मे साम च मे सोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोः वृष्ट्या बृहत्कृतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम् गर्भाश्च मे वत्साश्च मे त्रयविश्च मे त्रयवी च मे द्वितीयवाच्च मे द्वितीयौही च मे पञ्चाविश्च मे पञ्चावी च मे त्रिवत्सश्च मे त्रिवत्सा च मे तुर्यवाच्च मे तुर्यौही च मे पष्ठवाच्च मे पष्ठौही च म उक्षा च मे वशा च म वृषभश्च मे वेहच्च मे नड्वाई च मे धेनुश्च म आयुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् प्राणो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् अपानो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् व्यानो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् चक्षुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् श्रोत्रं यज्ञेन कल्पताम् मनो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् वाक् यज्ञेन कल्पताम् आत्मा यज्ञेन कल्पताम् यज्ञो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे षष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च मे अष्टाविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिंशच्च मे षट्त्रिंशच्च मे चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मे अष्टाचत्वारिंशच्च मे वाजश्च प्रसवश्चाप्निचश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धाश्च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भुवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
यदक्षरपरभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण हरे
कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण हरे
कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण हरे
कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण हरे
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण हरे
गोविन्द नारायण हरे
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
अच्युतानन्द गोविन्द माधवा
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
सच्चिदानन्द नारायण हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द जनार्दन
जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
भवसागर में जीवन नैया डोल रही है ओ रखवैया।
भवसागर में जीवन नैया डोल रही है ओ रखवैया।
भवसागर में जीवन नैया डोल रही है ओ रखवैया।
भवसागर में जीवन नैया डोल रही है ओ रखवैया।
डोल रही है ओ रखवैया, इसे पार तू ही लगा ले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मोह माया के बंधन तोड़ो, हे प्रभु अपने शरण में ले लो।
मोह माया के बंधन तोड़ो, हे प्रभु अपनी शरण में ले लो।
मोह माया के बंधन तोड़ो, हे प्रभु अपने शरण में ले लो।
मोह माया के बंधन तोड़ो, हे प्रभु अपनी शरण में ले लो।
हे प्रभु अपनी शरण में ले लो, इसे साई तू अपना ले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
पग पग तू ही संभाले से हो, पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु, इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
प्रभु इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मोह माया के बंधन तोड़ो हे प्रभु अपने शरण में ले लो।
माया के बंधन तोड़ो हे प्रभु अपनी शरण में ले लो।
हे प्रभु अपनी शरण में ले लो इसे साई तू अपना ले प्रभु इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मेरा जीवन तेरे हवाले प्रभु इसे पग पग तू ही संभाले।
मधुवन के मुरली वाला,
मधुवन
देवदेवोत्तम दीनसंरक्षक
गंगाधरा हर कैलाशनाथ प्रभु शंकरा कैलाशनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
कैलाशनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
भवनाशा भवबंध विमोचन सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा कैलाशनाथ प्रभु शंकरा भवनाशा भवबंध विमोचन सत्य साई शिव शंकरा सत्य साई शिव शंकरा हर कैलाशनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
Jai
su presencia la que cambia hoy el mundo. Un mañana sin fronteras se abrirá.
Es su presencia la que cambia hoy el mundo. Un mañana sin fronteras se abrirá.
Bienaventurados los que pisan hoy la tierra, liberación de su mano alcanzará.
Bienaventurados los que pisan hoy la tierra. Liberación de su mano alcanzará. Alégrate, hermano, ven, alégrate. Seca tu llanto que ya llegó tu rey. Levántate, hermano, ven, levántate. Deja el dolor, nada tienes que Por él he transformado yo mi vida, sobre su huella he decidido caminar.
Quiero cantar y se sepa de su gloria, mi voz es su verdad.
Quiero cantar y que se sepa de su gloria, compartiendo con mi voz en su verdad. Alégrate, hermano, ven, alégrate. Seca tu llanto que ya llegó tu rey. Levántate, hermano, ven, levántate. Deja el dolor, nada tienes que
Es su presencia la que cambia hoy el
presencia la que cambia hoy el mundo. Un mañana sin fronteras se abrirá.
Ty wiesz, jak bardzo pragnę Cię. Panie mój, Ty wiesz, jak potrzebuję Cię. Prowadź mnie i chroń mnie, Panie mój, we dnie i w nocy, Panie mój. Jestem Twoim dzieckiem, Panie mój, utul mnie w ramiona. Prowadź mnie i chroń mnie, Panie mój, we dnie i w nocy, Panie mój.
सर्व जीवन के कल्याण,
सर्व जीवन के कल्याण,
सर्व जीवन के कल्याण।
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
तुम हो परम कृपा के सागर,
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 तुम हो गुण मंदिर नटनागर,
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 तुम हो सत्य सनातन स्वामी,
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 घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी।
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
सर्व जीवन के कल्याण,
सर्व जीवन के कल्याण।
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
आओ आओ हे भगवान,
तुम हो परम कृपा के सागर,
तुम हो परम कृपा के सागर,
तुम हो गुण मंदिर नटनागर,
तुम हो गुण मंदिर नटनागर,
तुम हो सत्य सनातन स्वामी,
तुम हो सत्य सनातन स्वामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी,
घट घट वासी अंतर्यामी।
आओ आओ हे भगवान।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
prayerful salutations at the divine reverential lotus feet of our beloved omnipresent Lord Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. It's always wonderful to recapitulate how I came to Swami. So my family was in Bangalore, and then my paternal aunt's mother was an ardent devotee of Shirdi Baba. So Swami visited her hometown, Rajahmundry in Andhra Pradesh, around 1964. And he was actually having a meeting there, and they being a big, popular, rich family in the neighborhood, somehow did not want to attend that meeting because they didn't want to encourage Swami, because they thought Shirdi Baba is our God and divinity, and now who is this another Baba coming into this town? And then after the meeting was over, Swami was just passing by their house, and my aunt's mother was outside, and Swami stopped there and asked, Narsamma ela unnavu. What that meant was, Narsamma, how are you doing? In Telugu. And so she was shocked because nobody introduced her to Swami. So she was just wondering, how does this Baba know my name? And then he said, so for being polite and courteous, she invited him. And when they started having a conversation, she asked, how do you know my name? And she said, Swami said, I know you because I'm the same Shirdi Baba. So that's how my paternal aunt's family was pulled into Swami's fold. And when we were living in Bangalore, my paternal aunt happened to relocate from New Delhi to Bangalore, and then Swami was there in Whitefield, Brindavan campus. And so they were visiting Swami during the summer, because Swami would spend the summer months in Brindavan. So then my aunt said, would you like to go with us? And then my father was a skeptic, and definitely he did not want to see any Babas. But my mom liked the story which my aunt shared. And then she said, yes, I would like to go with you with the kids. And so we went. That was the first darshan in June, in the summer months. And then very first darshan, Swami came to us, and then he blessed us. We got Pada Namaskaram. And then my aunt introduced us, and then Swami said, Santosham, Santosham. So that was our first introduction. And then, of course, then there was no looking back. My mother for sure knew that there was something so divinely attractive. And so Swami's picture was the center in our altar at home. And my mom lost no time, and she enrolled us in Bal Vikas program. And in those days in Bangalore, there were actually two samitis. Samiti is the name that's given to the center in India. And we had one in Malleshwaram and one in Vayalikaval. So both were equidistant from my house. And so we started going. So Malleshwaram Samiti had the bhajans on Thursday, and the Vayalikaval Samiti had the bhajans on Saturday. And so that's how we got into Swami's fold. This is from a very physical standpoint, but I'm sure Swami knows all of us for generations, and it only takes some time when you move in the physical world for us to get in touch with him. So that's about how I got into Swami's fold, and I was about 8 or 9 years old at that time. And very soon, 1973 or 74, I'll say. In those days, Swami used to perform Upanayanam, thread ceremony for young boys. And so my parents thought that my brother would be a good candidate for that. And of course, his name was selected by Swami. And then we got to go to Whitefield, and then Swami was performing that in the campus, and Kamavadhani was the Vedic scholar that was conducting the whole ritual. And during the orientation for this Upanayanam program, they told us that Swami would be giving the Yagnopavitam, or the sacred thread, for all the boys. And then we were all supposed to be seated family-wise, not like ladies and gents. That's the usual practice in the ashram. But then for this particular program, Swami said all of you have to sit as a family together to perform the ritual. And so after the Upanayanam was over, Swami came to our family, and then I had a garland for Swami. And Swami, of course, blessed my brother with the Yagnopavitam and all that. And when Swami came to us, I garlanded Swami. It was my innate wish to have a sandalwood shaving garland for Swami. But for some reason, because of the hectic schedule, we couldn't get a sandalwood shaving garland for Swami. We just got a flower garland. And so kind of that was bugging me as a kid from inside, that, oh, we don't have the best for Bhagavan. But then there was another family that garlanded Swami with a sandalwood shaving garland. And so by the time he came to our family, what Swami did, he accepted my flower garland, and then he took out the garland from his own neck and then gave it to me, the sandalwood one. And then he told me in Telugu, go and put it to my picture in your room. So that was a profound lesson for me. The reason being, I was like, how did he know what I was thinking in my mind? And I offered him a very small flower garland, whereas, I got something much more than what a flower garland was in those days. So that was that divine touch of Bhagavan, where, it's said that you take one step and I'll take 100 steps towards you. So that was something coming to reality for me as a kid. And so the first lesson that came to my head was like, oh, he knows what's going on in your head. So it's important for us to think well and to think straight and to think good. So that was the first thing as I learned as a kid. And then, of course, the second one was like, oh, you give something very small to God, and then He will give you something 10 times much better. So that was one real good experience, and I still cherish that experience with Bhagavan because that has taught me so many lessons in my journey of life. So growing up with Balvikas, we were always taught that we have to pray to God right from the morning. And our Balvikas teachers had a set of shlokas right from the morning as soon as you get up, like Karagre Vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati. And then as you're taking bath, Gange Cha Yamune Chaiva Godavari. So like that, they had a series when you're going to school, Saraswati Namastubhyam. So in those days, Balvikas had a set of shlokas that we all had to learn, and we had to chant every single day during that part of the day. So I joined Balvikas in its early years of formation, and so that was the syllabus we had. And of course, we had the 15th and then the 16th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Later on, the second chapter was also added. So growing up with this kind of a ritual every day, I started doing well at school, both in sports as well as in studies. So when I got to the high school, 9th grade, sports teachers thought that I was very good at running. I was an athlete, 100 meters and 200 meters sprint. And so they wanted me to participate in the local Bangalore Athletic Championship, and which meant that I had to wear shorts, which was which was kind of not considered favorably in conservative South Indian homes. A young teenager wearing shorts, I'll say mid-70s, 73, 74, in those years. So my parents were not favoring this idea, but then my sports teachers thought that I did have a chance, though I was in 9th grade, competing with the 11th and the 12th graders. So they came home and somehow convinced my parents that, they shouldn't be stopping me from participating in athletics. So that was the time when I intensely prayed to Bhagavan. I got qualified in the Bangalore Athletic Championships, which meant I had to go to the next level, which was a state level. So step by step, taking Swami's guidance. Every time there would be a championship, I would tell my father, why don't we go and get Swami's blessing? And so when we would go to Vrindavan Ashram, because we were in Bangalore, these prayers were always answered with a blessing from Swami. Swami would come, I would get a Pada Namaskar, and then I would give a letter to Swami. Swami was put his hand on my head, and somehow in some form I knew from inside that he was blessing me and he was telling me to go. So I would take that word, and then somehow my parents also would feel the same. Oh, Swami was smiling at us, and Swami was looking at us, and Swami gave us this Pada Namaskar. So it means, we have to follow through with the act of what she's requesting. So that's how my parents encouraged me to go there. And then, of course, I ended up going to the National Athletic Championship, where I ran with PT Usha, and I did beat her in the first year, which was 1978, I'll say. That was the first year she was participating, and so I did beat her. And then, of course, subsequent years, she took over, and then she beat me. She had intense training. So this was as a teenager, as a high schooler, constantly talking to Swami, saying all these prayers which my Bal Vikas teachers taught me, and then having those experiences from Swami in the form of Pada Namaskar, in the form of a blessing, in the form of a look from him, a smile from him, kind of really helped shape my personality, because I think I learned a lot by participating in these sports activities. In addition to these, I also participated in team sports. I played volleyball for the state of Karnataka and junior cricket. I was trained with Shanta Rangaswamy in those days. She was in Bangalore, and we were in the junior team and she was in the senior team. So sports actually taught me a lot of self-confidence, and I think all that was because of the Bal Vikas I went to, kind of where spiritual growth was happening in parallel with the secular education I was receiving. I did very well in my 10th grade as well as the 12th grade exams. I got the third rank there. And then even moving forward also, I did my undergrad and graduate studies. I was admitted into Anantapur College, but because of the distance, my father got transferred from Bangalore to Cochin, Ernakulam. So my parents were worried that, it's not safe for me to be so far away from there. And so unfortunately, I did not join. But I have absolutely no regrets for that, because no matter where we are, Swami takes care. And I did well even in my undergrad and grad, where I got gold medals from Bangalore University and Andhra University. And so wherever you are, I think Swami takes care of you. And all I learned during this journey is that have immense faith in Bhagavan, and just go with the flow. He's always there for you, no matter what you choose. Sometimes with His grace, you make the right decisions, but sometimes with His grace, you also make decisions right. There was one incident where my father was pickpocketed in Vrindavan campus. So in those days, after the darshan, everybody would rush to the front to get the prasadam. So what Swami would do is, he would come for the darshan. There would be the Krishna statue in the center of the shed. So Swami would take the prasadam, which was flat rice and jaggery. And after that, everybody would rush forward to get that prasadam. So in that rush, my father was pickpocketed, and I was in the 11th grade, I'll say, at that point. And so that was one incident that did not sit well with me. So then I was questioning Swami. We were a very middle-class family. So I was questioning Swami, like, Swami, what is this? Why did this happen to my dad? So it was 30 rupees, 3 10 rupee notes with So that was something that bothered me for quite some time, and I would have this internal conversation with Swami. Swami, why did you do this to us? We are just a middle class. There's so many rich people that are coming there for the darshan, but why did this have to happen to my dad? And unfortunately, on that day, my mom was there and she had some money in the purse. Because of that, we could get home. Otherwise, we did not have money to come home. And I really remember my parents having the conversation, oh, how do we buy the bus tickets? And how much do we need for the bus tickets? So that was the conversation that was going on in the background. So that this incident really bothered me. Then after, I'll say about 3 or 4 months, we went to Vrindavan again for a darshan. And as I was walking after the darshan to the spot where we would all leave our shoes, which would be right by the gate. And as I was walking towards the shoes, I found one 10 rupee note and I picked it up. It was a brand new note. And then walked a few more steps and then picked up another one, few more steps and picked up another one. So there were 3 notes. I was shocked. I had completely forgotten about the conversation I had. My father lost the 30 rupees. That was totally out of my mind. I just picked up these 3 notes and went to get my shoes, and then my dad came there. And then I told my dad, like, I just found these and I don't know to whom they belong. And so we both stood there with those 3 notes, and then we started asking everybody, like, does it belong to you? And then nobody was claiming those notes. And then there was this one old man who came from nowhere, and then he yelled at me and my dad and he said, Swami has given it to you, take it and leave. Because we were inside the gate. So as soon as the darshan is over, we are all supposed to get out of the gate and they would close the gates. So he said, go out of the gate now and don't wait here anymore. Then after we left the gate, so we were still holding, we did not put it in the pocket, we were still holding the notes in our hands, thinking that, oh, somebody else may come and ask for them. But then as we left and we started walking out of the gate towards the bus station, that's when it just came to me that, oh, remember you lost, and then we got again these 3 notes with consecutive numbers, same 3 10 rupee notes. So this is one incident that really told me that God has His own timing for a reason. And then no prayer or no thought will go unanswered. And so made me think in those days as a young adult that it's very important that we think well. So that is one incident. And then the second incident, of course, is what I said about sports, where Swami continuously blessed. And the other thing also was Swami also gave me the wisdom. When I was in the 12th grade, there were 2 options for me. One was to go into a sports college, Lakshmi Jhansi Bai, a college of physical education in Gwalior, where I was getting a full scholarship for both boarding and lodging. Being a middle class family, that was a very tempting offer because, you know, parents didn't have to pay for education. But then I was thinking about it, and I was talking, having the internal conversation with Swami. The other thing I needed to make a change in my daily life was it would be very difficult as a vegetarian to follow through with sports beyond a certain level. And also the peer group pressure. Most of the times in all these sports meet, I would be the only vegetarian and everybody else would be a non-vegetarian. So that was bothering me. And also I thought, there is no way I can make it to the top being a vegetarian, which meant I had to make changes in my diet, which I was not prepared to. So I gave up that and then went for general education with my undergrad and grad. And Swami definitely did take care, where I did very well. And so, like, at every step, I can sense His presence. And I have become more confident in my life and more peaceful compared to what I was when I look at my own life and do a self-audit. Working as an officer has taught me a lot. I don't even know where to begin. That is the best way to grow, and that is the best way to sharpen all those edges from your personality. There's no better role than that. Because if I look at my own personality, you learn with the Sai family how to stay calm, how to stay composed, how to appreciate all the uncertainties that go with the role. And so many things, how to manage, how to talk, how to modulate your voice, how to use the words very carefully. And even from a physical standpoint and as well as from a mental and a spiritual standpoint, there is growth in all these three domains. And that will kind of make you a whole personality, and that whole also keeps evolving with time. You can see for yourself, your spiritual sadhana will take you from step 1 to step 2, step 3. Beginning, you would just start with, as a Balvika student, with just a few shlokas, and then you'll begin to learn the Sahasranamams and things like that, and then the Veda chanting and so on and so forth. So every aspect of the spiritual sadhana, you will find yourself evolving. If you could meditate for 2 minutes, in the beginning it'll go to 5 minutes and then 10 minutes and things like that. So, and you also become very aware of things around you. Awareness, that sense of awareness and alertness increases, I think, as an officer. And so I think I would advise that whoever gets a chance should become an officer. And that's the best way to be very close to Swami and learn a lot of things and then evolve on this path.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Saraswati Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Kalki Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivardhana Shridhara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashita Kalpana Gita Ashita Kalpana Gita Apapavana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Deva Mariyantayunive Swami Mariyantayunive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Navendra Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Jasmi Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Arati Amrita Mangala Arati Amrita Mangala Deva Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Satgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Satgurudeva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Satgurudeva Shanti Shanti Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Samastaloka Sukhino Bhavantu Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
जय बोलो भगवान श्री
परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि साई भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।